Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We've broken down the top products on the business, making it easier for you to pick the perfect pick. If you enjoy this video, a sub to the channel would be fabulous. Make sure to check out the description below for the latest pricing and information. Best overall, Joby GripTight Pro. This is one of the all-time favorite tripods. This is the go-to model for when we need a bit more height for a smartphone photo shoot. Though it doesn't quite reach standing heights, it still towers over many of its other competitors. It feels solidly well built, and it's compact enough when folded up to easily fit in a purse. It doubles as a selfie stick and has a solid smartphone mount, as well as a GoPro adapter. It's one of the more intuitive tripods to operate as well, particularly given its extensive arrays of features and functions. Unfortunately, we have found that one of Joby's greatest assets, its height, can also be a significant weakness. At full extension, it's fairly wobbly overall, and it was found that even the slightest bump were enough to send phones tumbling to the ground. We're also not sold on the locking systems. Despite these flaws, it's still a stellar option for anyone who wants a stellar tripod that can also operate as a selfie stick. Just don't expect it to hold a heavy DSLR. Best Tabletop, Manfrotto PIXI. Anyone frequently taking random images with their smartphone may want to think about the PIXI. To function with most Android and other mobile devices now on the market, the PIXI Black now incorporates a universal phone clamp with several 14-inch thread attachments, offering outstanding compatibility and usage in any circumstance. Due to its construction of stainless steel, aluminum, and technopolymer, and the inclusion of the universal smartphone clamp with several 1/4-inch thread attachments, this is ideal for traveling with an iPhone. It is made of stainless steel, aluminum, and technopolymer and incorporates the universal smartphone clamp with different 1/4-inch thread attachments. Investing in a tripod capturing photos or movies with my iPhone may make sense because it will help me get more stable results. Using a tripod allows you to take high-quality pictures and videos without being concerned about your hands shaking. This tripod makes me save outdoor nature closely through my latest iPhone wherever I go. Best for Home Studio, Neewer 100-886-12. For a deluxe option for your next smartphone photo or video shooting sessions, go with this. This tripod has just about all the bells and whistles you would hope for, including an 18-inch dimmable ring light with diffusers. It extends to 61 inches and feels decently well durable, securely holding your phone even when extended to full height. It provides very even light, includes white and orange color filters, and didn't induce any LED flickers in the test videos, making it an excellent option for recording your next video or vlog. The extra feature, however, make the initial assembly process quite taxing. The subsequent setup and breakdown are much easier, but it still takes a bit more work than any of the pocket tripods out there. It is also quite large and also cumbersome when unfolded enough to literally take over a small room. Although it also packs down into an included carrying case, there are better options for traveling. The ball head on the phone mount is also more flimsy compared to the rest of the tripod. It might be overkill if your aspiration doesn't extend past the casual uses, but this is one of the favorite options to recommend for those who are seriously about shooting content with their smartphone. Best for stability, Ravelli APTL3. This is a good choice for those looking for a sturdy and versatile tripod for their iPhone. At just over 2 pounds, it's easy to carry around and set up, making it perfect for vlogging, live streaming, and other on-the-go uses. The tripod's adjustable legs and ball head allow for smooth and precise positioning on your phone, whether in landscape or portrait orientation. It also has a quick release plate for easy attachment and detachment of your iPhone. One of the standout features is the maximum height of 53 inches, which is taller than many other iPhone tripods on the market. This makes it perfect for getting those hard-to-reach shots or for filming from a higher vantage point. As such, this is an excellent option for those looking for a high-quality iPhone tripod that won't break in the bank. Its lightweight design, adjustable legs, and maximum height make it an excellent choice for a wide range of uses. Best for vloggers, Joby GorillaPod. This 1K is an innovative tripod that has caterpillar-like arms that can bend into any shape. For outdoor photographers like myself, this allows setting up the tripod in uneven terrain. The unmatched adaptability makes this tripod stand out from the rest. Joby makes it really simple by naming their tripods by how much the weight can be held. So this 1K is rated for cameras up to 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. This is a small tripod and definitely lacks the height. If you can't find something to shape it on or wrap it around, then you will be forced to put it on the ground. The max standing height is about 8 inches once you account for the angle of the legs. This tripod can be very stable if the center of gravity is kept low and weight is evenly distributed between the legs. But in more uneven setups, the balance can become questionable. This is especially true for heavier cameras. The tripod legs definitely hold their shape under the weight, but they are short, so the camera has to be kept relatively centered. The tripod usually can't be mounted onto larger trees because the legs are too short. Any tree or branch wider than a baseball bat is usually too thick to wrap around. There really isn't another tripod that can be compared to versatility. So even despite several quirks and limitations, there's no close competition. I highly recommend this tripod to anyone who shoots photos or videos outdoors. It's the best outdoor adventure tripod.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.